S188 GPS drone, dual camera, 180 degrees electric adjustment, optical flow, brushless motors and obstacle avoidance. Take to the skies with confidence using the S188 GPS dual camera drone, a feature-packed, foldable quadcopter designed for both beginners and drone enthusiasts. Equipped with GPS positioning, optical flow hovering, brushless motors, and a 180 degrees electric camera adjustment, the S188 delivers smooth flight, stunning footage, and intelligent controls in one sleek package. Whether you're capturing landscapes, filming in tight urban areas, or enjoying weekend adventures, the S188 offers the power, flexibility, and portability you need. Camera with flash dual HD cameras with 180 degrees electric angle adjustment. The main front camera captures detailed aerial footage with adjustable 180 degrees tilt via remote, allowing you to shoot from multiple dynamic angles. Photo resolution: up to 7680x4320, under uncompressed conditions. Video resolution: 1280x720 at 25 fps. Switch between front and bottom cameras for versatile shooting options. GPS positioning plus optical flow equals smart and stable flying. GPS ensures precise one-key return, low battery auto return, lost signal fail-safe return. Optical flow positioning keeps the drone hovering steadily even indoors or in areas with weak GPS. Advanced obstacle avoidance for safer flights. Built-in obstacle avoidance system allows the drone to detect and avoid potential collisions. Perfect for flying in complex environments or crowded spaces. Great for beginners seeking extra safety and control. Brushless motors equals smooth power and longer life. Equipped with high-performance brushless motors. Quieter operation, stronger wind resistance, smoother controls, increased lifespan. Built to handle stable flights and sharp movements with ease. Smart flight features at your fingertips. App plus remote dual control. Use the included rechargeable remote or fly directly from your smartphone. One-key takeoff, landing. Trajectory flight. Intelligent follow mode. One-key surround, orbit. Emergency stop. Headless mode. Screen rotation. Music integration. Real-time drone position display. Night flight ready. 8 built-in LED night lights illuminate the drone, making night flights visually stunning and easy to track. Feature details: max flight time up to 18 minutes. Control range 120 meters, standard GPS return distance up to 500 meters. Battery, drone, 7.4 volts 1600 mAh Li-ion. Remote battery 3.7 volts 500 mAh, included, charging time 60 to 80 minutes. Speed modes slow, medium, fast. Transmission 5G Wi-Fi FPV. Drone material ABS plus metal plus electronics. Foldable design compact and travel ready. What's in the box? One S188 GPS drone. One rechargeable remote controller. One 7.4 volts 1600 mAh battery. One charging cable. 8 fan blades. 1 screwdriver. 2 user manuals. Who is this drone for? Beginners who want advanced safety features. Aerial photographers and travelers. Social media creators looking for unique angles. Tech lovers who want a foldable, full-featured drone. Gift givers looking for an affordable smart drone under 250 grams.